Hi, this is electrical machine project for LE260, and today I am going to talk about three things which are fairly interesting. So the first one, three things. So the first one is power. What is power? We heard a lot about power. What is power? So the second thing is power supply. And the last thing is transformer. So what is transformer? How does it work? So what is power? What is power? We heard a lot about power. So when you want to move something heavy, you need power, right? When you want to open the bottle, you need power. So what is power? Power is the ability to do something. Well, that makes sense, right? When you want to do something, you need power. So power is the ability to do something. And so since in this video we're gonna discuss about power supply and transformer, so we need to define what electrical power is. So what is electrical power? Well, it can't be just the ability to do something, right? You imagine a device, and a device need energy to operate. Well, so electrical power is the rate in which the energy is transferred to be used by something. Well, it makes sense, right? Since the definition of power is the ability to do something, then the definition of electrical power is the rate in which the energy is transferred to be used by something. So how do we calculate power? So how do we calculate power? In AC, the voltage depends on time, right? So power is gonna be a function of time. So PT is gonna equal to VT times IT, when VT is the function of voltage and IT is a function of current. And in DC, well, it's gonna be quite easy. P is going to equal to V times I, and here we can use the Ohm's law, right? Since Ohm law indicates that V equals IR, we can just plug in V here. So it's gonna be IR times I, or simply I square R. And the unit of power. Well, since it's the rate, so it's gonna be equal to joule. Joule is the rate of energy, right? Per time, which is second. Or simply watt. W, big W, watt. The next thing we are going to talk about is power supply. Power supply. So if you have assembled your PC before, you want to know what a power supply is. It's the black box, right? So power supply is a device that supplies or correct the frequency or supplies power or correct the frequency and the phase of power. So the last topic is transformer. What is transformer? What is transformer? Transformer is an electrical device. So the last topic is transformer. So what is transformer? Transformer is a box that transfer the energy from the source to something like a circuit or a device. And the source can be anything, like the power supply or let's say a power plant. Yeah, sure. And so there are two types of transformer. That we have learned in LE 260. So the first one is step up. And the second one is step down. So let's say that you're in a situation that you need to increase the voltage from the source. So step up transformer will do that. So the voltage in will be less than voltage out. And vice versa, step down transformer will decrease the voltage in. So basically the voltage in will be greater than the voltage out. Usually in Thailand it's the step down transformer is used to decrease the voltage from the source, which is usually 220 down to around 110. Okay, so Well, since we have learned about power, then as we have discussed, power is the rate to transfer energy. And in real life, we somehow need something to control that, right? And so this is one of the examples that I've talked about. This is an AC power controller that is programmable. This is a transformer, and this should be connected to a light bulb, but we don't have one because we have already busted it. And so this is a liquid crystal LCD, and this is a keypad. So to briefly explain how this works, so imagine you have an input power of let's say 100 watt, and if you type 60, the output will be 60% of the power in. So if the power in is 100 and you type 60, the power out is gonna be 60. Okay, I hope this video was useful in some way. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.